So today we're doing Delaunay, the artist, inspired drawings, and the nice part about these is that you can trace anything you have around the house. The big part of it is tracing, so we've found some food containers, some toys, different shapes and sizes, anything you have around the house. And then you just need some pencil crayons or markers and some paper, and then you just put your shapes down and start tracing, and you can overlap them. So here's some more of the works in progress. You can see you don't have to color the whole shape in, you can just color part of it in, and it makes sort of a neat effect. And then you can see here that we've done lots of different tracing, lots of different shapes overlapping. Some go all the way around, others just go partially, and those are kind of fun to color in different sections. The colors are up to you, and so yeah, basically we just get to color in all the different shapes that you've just created by tracing. And here's the finished products. So they all have their unique style and color scheme, and it sure is fun just to take some objects and trace and see what happens. So we hope that you have a chance to try this, and if you do have a chance to try it, you can hang it in your window for other people to see, or you can take a picture of it and send it to the library so we can see. Anyway, we hope you had fun on this edition of Online Arts and Crafts. See you next time!